You want to act? You want to act? Act a fool.
I'm not acting a fool. Oh my
What,
God.
you're showing your ass?
Ow! 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 I'm not acting a fucking fool. I'm not acting a fool, bro.
A rainy night. A car following too close. That's how it started. And before it ended, a 19-year-old walked straight into a warrant she had no idea existed.
How's it going? You're just following that car in front of you a little close. That's all it is. Not a big deal. It's just...
January 3rd. Launchenling Arshassu. Officers ran a routine traffic stop on a vehicle following another car too close in the rain. The driver, Taylor, had no license on him. His passenger gave a first name only. No last name. Then the officer caught something else in the air. Something that changed the entire stop. In Alabama, the odor of marijuana alone establishes probable cause to search a vehicle. No warrant needed. The smell is the justification. No medical card. No last name. And now officers had the legal authority to detain both occupants and search the vehicle.
It's raining, so you got to stay back with it. You got your license with you? You stay in Alabama or you stay over here? Okay. Did you have your ID on you by chance? You don't have it? What's your name?
Kayla.
Huh? What's your last name? Huh? I'm just asking. I'm out with you guys. So. Well, you got the registration and insurance? Pull in this parking lot so we don't get hit by a car. You can look it up on your phone and I'll check back with you in a second, okay? You good?
I had a little piece of paper. It's an Allstate card, but it was
Step back here for me. I don't like you jumping out of the car. You got any weapons on you? All right, face that way. Can I pat your down for weapons real quick? Huh? You ain't got no weapons on you? You got a medical card? Huh? I smell a little bit of weed. It's not a huge deal, but I don't want you to lie to me.
There ain't no weed. I smell a bit.
Stand right here. You got anything on her?
I'll go hang it right card.
What's her last name? Tristan?
What happened?
Come back here. Take your hands out of your pocket for me.
What's going on?
You've been requested to get out of the vehicle. That's what's going on.
I just know what happened. Nobody told me what happened or why.
It'll be explained to you in just a few.
Yes, sir.
What's her last name? She's going to get it or she's going to go to jail. You don't even know who it is?
I know the last name.
That makes sense. Well, this is going to go about it. I'm going to make it as easy on y'all as it is, y'all make it on me. So you make it difficult on me, I promise you I ain't going to help you out. I'm fixing to. You have any ID on you at all? Okay, what's your last name? Yeah, I'm going to explain it to you once, and you refuse at that point, then you're going to go to jail, okay? The car smells like weed. He doesn't have a medical marijuana card, so I'm fixing to search the car.
But it's not mine.
It doesn't matter. So you can either provide your name or you can go to jail. It doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
What's your last name? What's your first name?
Yeah, handful of odor on there. You want to act? You want to act? Act a fool.
I'm not acting a fool. Oh my
What,
God.
you're showing your ass?
Ow! 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 I'm not acting a fucking fool. I'm not acting a fool, bro. Can you please stop? Can you please stop?
Relax.
Can you please stop?
Nope, not until you stop.
Please, I'm like, how y'all hurting? Like,
Yeah, well, that's not really the point, but you want to show your ass, so
I don't want to say I got hurt. Y'all
stop it.
just grab me. No, like, I'll grab you. Like,
Are you done running your mouth? Because I'm done listening.
If you stop, please. If you please stop.
Have you ever been searched by female law enforcement before?
No.
Okay.
I'm just confused.
Well, I'm confused too, because when my partner over here is asking you for information and all of a sudden you start tensing up, pulling away from him, then we're going to take that as acts of
He told me she had a 39.
Oh.
39.
Oh, so you have a warrant.
What's 39?
The officer asked for her last name. She refused. He asked again. She refused again. He told her clearly, provide your name or go to jail. She still wouldn't give it. Under Alabama law, willful refusal to identify during a lawful detention can itself become grounds for arrest. Then she stepped out of the vehicle before being asked and started pulling away when officers made contact. That's when things changed. Tensing up and pulling away from an officer during a lawful detention is not a misunderstanding. Under Alabama Code Section 13A102, that is obstruction, no strike, no assault. Resistance alone is sufficient. She provided the evidence for that charge herself. On a camera she could see, and then the system returned a hit. Code 39. Outstanding warrant. She had one from an incident a month and a half ago she said she'd forgotten about. A dog fight, a disorderly conduct charge. She'd pulled the dog, the charge followed anyway. And she didn't know it was still open. Here's what that means legally. Nothing. An outstanding warrant does not require the subject's awareness to be valid. It requires only that it was issued. She could have not known for a week or a year. The moment officers run that name and that code comes back, the warrant executes. She told officers she was 19, that she was in college. The officer noted both facts, then continued processing the arrest paperwork. Being a college student is not an affirmative defense. Being 19 is not a mitigating factor at the point of arrest. Neither changes what the warrant says.
You have a warrant.
For what?
I don't know. We're about to find out.
That's why I went to put hands on you, and you decide you're going to act a fool, and you got jumped. I don't have to. No, I do not. You are being I don't know what your warrant is for, but you had a warrant. Yes, I can. And I did. I lawfully can.
Yep, we lawfully can detain you until we figure out what the warrant's for.
But-
So now you finna catch probably another charge.
For what?
For obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Look at that. Showing your ass again.
Yes. What?
Yeah.
What's that?
For disorderly conduct. When was last? I don't know. You tell me. I don't know what
I don't know.
I don't either. Here.
And it's going to charge you for resisting as well.
Why?
Because we had to go hands-on with you.
Because I didn't know what the fuck
Doesn't
you were
matter.
doing.
Doesn't matter though. You let us do our job, and then you don't end up face down on the ground.
Well, I don't know what I'm being arrested for. I didn't even know that I had a warrant or nothing.
Well,
like,
okay, so you do. So until you
Now
know
I do.
what's
No,
going
now I
on,
do. Now I
because
know.
you know these handcuffs go on just as easy as they come off.
Yeah.
So she has no idea what that warrant is for.
No, I don't.
For
I have no idea what I have a warrant. I don't even know what that. Like, I don't even know what that charge is.
I don't know. It's a simple charge.
I didn't even know I had a warrant.
It wasn't worth all that.
Well, I didn't even know. That's
Why didn't you want to give your name
I
then?
don't ever get in trouble because this is weird. Like, I never get in trouble with nothing. So like, this is my first thing ever getting like.
I guess you did it right.
I'm in college. So like I don't know.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay. Well, I mean, you got to go to jail now. Even if you didn't have a warrant, you still can't.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Why? I don't.
Because you can't resist
But I didn't know.
police.
Oh,
Well, if he tells you to turn around, put your hands behind your back, we can detain you just on the plain smell of marijuana.
Hey. Just lean up against it, okay?
November?
Yeah, so 2 months, a month and a half ago. What'd you do?
The only other thing I can think of is whenever we were the cops had pulled up whenever I was living at Santa Villa on West Avenida.
Were you part of that fight with the dogs and all that?
I was the one that pulled the dog.
That
Remember?
makes sense. Okay.
Yeah, well, I don't understand why I got that. I don't understand why I got that though.
It came out as a 19, and apparently there's a bunch of dogs involved, and then you were chasing after a person, and somebody chased that.
No, I was just pulled up.
It wasn't between you and Kayla?
Huh?
Kayla Hudson?
No.
Okay.
Me and Lauren, yes.
Lauren? Okay.
I remember she was choking
Lauren
dogs,
Ballard.
and I pulled the dog off of her, and she came at me, and I came at her. But nobody had swung on each other or nothing, or nobody hit anybody.
Okay.
So I don't get why I'm in trouble for that though.
I don't know, dear. I wasn't there. I heard about it, but I wasn't there.
What's gonna happen? Like I'm gonna just sit in jail for?
It's probably it's a second-degree misdemeanor, disorderly conduct.
You have another misdemeanor now.
For what?
Obstruction.
So I probably get probation or some shit.
You won't even probably get probation for something like that.
What happened?
I mean, you're going to jail now, and then you'll have a bond for
sit out a bond for both of us.
And then once you bond out, then you're good to go.
But what if I can't bond out? Like, I don't have money to...
You can hire a bondsman for 25%, but it's a minimum of $100, isn't it?
But I don't have my people's number, like...
We'll give you your phone.
I think my phone
You'll get your phone, you'll get contacts. Yeah.
Because, like, I forget, my Wi-Fi is good.
Is that your phone on the hood? That was...
The one that,
Okay. All right. Is there any...
not to crack it while you're pulling away from me?
I didn't know, though. Like, I didn't know.
Girl, why are you getting mixed up with this stuff? You got a Pace sweat softball hoodie on. Do you play softball for Pace? No?
No, it's one of my friends' hoodies.
Okay. Alright, just hang tight.
No.
It's a trigger. Yes, it is. When somebody puts your hands on you, when somebody puts their hands on you like that, like, yeah, it's a trigger for me. Yes, it is.
Huh?
Beaver looks good on you, boo-boo. Oh, thanks. Can I get my mom's number from his phone?
I'll ask him.
And can you go to my house and ask him to go to my house, please?
I'll ask him. One sec.
I just need my phone. I just need my phone, that's it.
Hey, Tristan.
There you go. You look great.
I just need my phone, that's it.
I got your phone.
You got my phone?
Hold on.
almost busted my butt.
The problem?
Yeah, your phone's somewhere. I gotta find it really quick. 1 sec. Hey, where's our phone at, Neff? Can you grab really quick?
But you gotta stop this mess, man. What's your court coming up for?
I left the scene on accident. So I guess that's a mandatory 4 days.
Yeah, that's Florida Highway Patrol. I'm guessing.
I gotta drop my car off at the mechanic. That's what I should have did. It's messing up real bad. That's one of the reasons why I ain't left. My car's stuck.
Do you remember me? From arresting you back in like 2017? Back in the day when you were doing a bunch of shenanigans?
Oh yeah, I don't do that shit. Yeah, I just worried. That's it, man. I got a drug problem here and there, but I just worried.
What do you use?
I smoke weed. That's my go-to, you know.
I don't know how long you're back, but they messing with fentanyl and everything else down here, and it's stupid.
I don't do fentanyl.
People don't know that they're doing fentanyl. That's the problem. They're mixing with all different sorts of shit. So, Neff, you good with him? You good to get back in your car and get out of here, man? She got a phone in here somewhere?
Sure she does.
You hang out on a regular basis?
I just started hanging out with him for this day.
Kayla was charged with her outstanding warrant for disorderly conduct, a second-degree misdemeanor under Alabama Code Section 13A117, and obstruction of justice, a separate misdemeanor under Section 13A102 for resisting officers during a lawful detention. Total cash bond, $1,500. The weed wasn't hers. She didn't know about the warrant. None of that changed the outcome. The officers get an A. The stop was legally clean from first contact. Odor gave them detention. Warrant gave them arrest. Every escalation was documented and justified in real time. Under Graham versus Connor. Patru sute noazech u I sam. 386 officer decisions are evaluated on what was known at the moment of action, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds. Kayla gets a D. She walked into a stop she had nothing to do with. Then she handed officers 2 additional charges by refusing her name and resisting contact. Under Alabama Code, Section 13A102, obstruction requires no violence. Resistance alone satisfies the statute. She provided it on camera. Multiple times. The right call, give your name. Stay calm. And let the warrant resolve in court. That path was available to her until she made it unavailable. Key lesson. An outstanding warrant follows you whether you know about it or not. The moment it runs, it executes. The time to address a warrant is in court, not on the street. If you want more body cam analysis the moments people make it harder than it had to be, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. What should Kayla have done differently?
Matches my outfit. You look great.